I watched a 15 minutes long video showing you can make $400 per hour in 5 steps. I was excited, so I watched the full video and gave it a try. And in this video, I will share how much you can expect to earn if you follow the system step by step. That's not all, I will also share our what happened 7522 method that we use to make 7 figures per year online. I will share the real results we are getting from this system. I will share my software free that will help you make 2 times more money. We basically make $5 from every visitor we get from What Happened 7522 method. What Happened 7522 method is just the opposite of making how-to videos or how-to contents. While how-to contents and videos are good for making money, they are not easy and not beginner friendly because you need to be an expert on the topic and you need to spend a long time creating how-to videos or how-to contents. But instead, we use What Happened 7522 method. So we go to Google News or any popular news sites. We choose any viral news that just happened yesterday or today and make 1-minute short videos using our software Epic. It takes 3 to 4 minutes of our time. We don't need to be on the camera. With Epic, we make videos of any length by copying and pasting free images, free links, and free texts from the internet. And we don't need to write scripts or text content because Epic generates high quality unique content using artificial intelligence with just a click of a button. YouTube sends free visitors to YouTube Shorts because YouTube Shorts is a new feature on YouTube. YouTube does that to compete with Instagram and Facebook Reel videos and TikTok videos. These free visitors turn into customers for us and we make $5 from each visitor we get from these short videos that we make using our software Epic. You can try Epic for free. Link to Epic is in the description. Go get it now. Before we begin, I want to talk about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor of this video is you. Yes, you are the sponsor of this video. We made this video and all our other videos in our channel for you, our viewers, so you can learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. All we want from you is simply a hit in the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. When you hit the like button, YouTube knows that this is a good video and they will show this video to more and more viewers. So go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with everyone. I was watching this video, 84,000 views in 12 days and almost 3,500 likes. People are loving it. Must be super awesome method. The title says Stupidly Lazy for $100 per hour method for beginners to make money online 2022. The video was good and thorough, and here is the summary of this 15 minutes long video. There are 5 steps involved. They made it seem very easy and simple. So I went ahead and reviewed the content. Step number 1, start a new page on Google Sites. This will take 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Step number 2, copy and paste an article from Forbes.com. This is absolutely not recommended. Not recommended. And you will lose your reputation with Google. Step number 3, go to cpalead.com and cpagrip.com. From these sites, you can make $2.54 per email submission. That's the numbers they showed in the video. This is actually a good advice for beginners because getting email submission is easier than selling online, especially for beginners. But these sites want to make sure that they get the highest quality traffic from their affiliates to maintain their reputation. But in a lot of cases, beginners fail to provide quality traffic. As a result, CPA sites don't approve beginners to promote their offers. They normally ask you to provide proof that you have a legitimate website of your own with high quality content that can generate traffic, or you have a good social following that can generate traffic for them. And they will ask you to show your experience with affiliate marketing and how you perform your day-to-day operations in your business. If you show them the website you built with Google site and the content you basically illegally stolen from another major website, they will reject your application immediately. Step number 4, embed your affiliate link in the Google site content or whatever content you have. Step number 5, then go to mewe.com, mewe.com, which is a new social media sites with around 8.5 million monthly visits. Find relevant groups and post your content there. There are a couple of problems with this kind of new social media website. 8.5 million monthly visitors is honestly not a big number for a social media site, because there are people interested in all different kinds of niches and interests on those social media sites. So finding a lot of niche targeted audience will not be easy. So no matter how many groups you use to share your content with, you will get very few clicks to your website and fewer clicks on your CPA affiliate link, and even fewer signups through your CPA affiliate link. So sadly, you will end up making almost no money. All these low quality, free Google site building, content stealing with the risk of getting shut down by Google, all these struggles to get approval on CPA sites and spamming on brand new social media site will ultimately go in vain. So this is nothing but plan to fail, and probably you will fail before you make any money. So you will not be successful in this system. Even if you make a few bucks here and there, this method can never be a sustainable income system. The quickest and smartest method of making money is what happened 7522 method that I'm about to share with you right now. You won't have to wait for the approval. You don't need a website. You don't need to steal anyone's content and become a thief. Instead of making free, mediocre, low quality Google site without risk of getting shut down anytime, just stop creating websites. In what happened 7522 method, you don't have to create website, you don't need website content. And instead of struggling to get approval from CPA sites, get approval to promote my offer on Warrior Plus, which pays us $5 every time we get a click on our link. Link is in the description. Follow instructions and apply, and we will approve you instead of spamming tiny little beginner social media sites that can never send you a lot of traffic, and they will shut down your account for spamming anytime they want. Use 3 minutes of your time with our software Epic and get guaranteed views and clicks from the world's second largest search engine. The YouTube will send you visitors to promote your short videos. You won't be shut down, you won't need a website, you will not need to steal content, and you won't have to wait for the approval. You won't need to spam any social media sites to get traffic. So let me show you what happened 7522 method. I'm using my phone and I went to Google News site. Can you see that? From there, I may choose to go to the entertainment section, because entertainment section always has new information. And I found something happened. Look at this. RIP George Perez. Sad news. Now I went to YouTube and search with the keyword George Perez. New videos are coming up and started to get views. And there is literally zero competition. So what am I gonna do is go down below and focus on the shorts feed. Look at the shorts feed and you will see hundreds of views, thousands of views, all about George Perez and his death, his memories and his stories. And honestly, not many videos are published yet. This is the perfect time to publish new shorts about George Perez. This is called what happened method instead of how-to method. Easy views, easy traffic, and easy money. We use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes the script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20+ channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you. They will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers, and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.